Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to turn your favorite images into a video, maybe for a slideshow, a presentation, or just to show off your latest vacation pics, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of converting images to a video using Canva. And the best part, you don't need to be a design pro to pull this off. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create smooth, eye-catching videos from your images, ready to share anywhere you like. Alright, let's get started. First things first, head over to Canva. If you've never used Canva before, you can just type Canva, come into your browser and sign in or create a free account if you haven't already. Canva is super user-friendly, so don't worry if this is your first time. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button. It's usually in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see a bunch of template options pop up. For this tutorial, we're going to select Presentation as our format. The reason we're choosing presentation is that it gives us that classic slideshow layout, perfect for displaying each of your images on a separate slide and setting up smooth transitions, so the end result feels more like a video than a static set of images. Once your blank presentation is open, it's time to bring in your images. For this example, let's make things easy and grab images right from Canva's own Elements tab. The Elements section is like a treasure chest of graphics, photos, and even cool illustrations, all free to use or available with a pro account. Click on Elements in the sidebar, then go ahead and search for the images you want. Drag and drop your chosen images onto each slide. Think of it like placing photos in an album. If you want to use your own photos, just hit Uploads instead and pull in images from your computer. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect on the first try. You can rearrange or resize anytime. Now, let's really bring these images to life. This is where adding transitions and effects makes all the difference. Click between two slides and you'll see a little Transitions button appear. It looks almost like a slide shuffling icon. Tap on that and you'll get options to add all kinds of motion between your slides. Fades, wipes, dissolves, and more. Pick one that matches the vibe you're going for. Adding animations or effects to your images is also super simple. Click the image and apply effects from the top menu. This really helps your video feel dynamic rather than just a static slideshow. It's like giving your images a bit of personality. Next comes timing and audio. Each slide automatically plays for a few seconds, but you can adjust this by clicking on the little clock icon. You might want some images to stay on screen a bit longer if they're especially important, or speed things up for a fast-paced look. And here, where audio comes in, head over to Canva's Audio tab and pick a background track to set the mood. Whether you want something upbeat or calm, there's a ton of choices. Drag your selected audio onto your timeline, and Canva will lay it across your slides automatically. If you want, you can even trim the audio to fit your video length. Once you're happy with how everything looks and sounds, it's time to export your masterpiece. Click the Share button in the top right, then select Download. Make sure you choose MP4 as your file type. This is the magic step that turns your static images into a real video file you can play anywhere. And that's it, you've just created a stunning video from images in Canva, complete with smooth transitions, timing, and audio. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Got any questions or want to share how your video turned out? Drop a comment below, I love hearing from you. And make sure to subscribe for more simple, creative tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy creating.